down the Dimensionator, Nefarious.
Put down the Dimensionator. Yeah, right. Today, you will see what losing feels like. Spoiler, it's exhausting. As soon as I figure out these stupid coordinates. Say goodbye! Hey! What did you do?
Whoa! What just happened?
We may have a slight problem.
The bridge is shot! There has to be another way across.
The rifts are reacting to the phase quartz in your glove. Try pointing it at one of them.
Did you see that?
That was rather exciting.
Train has arrived! Release the robots!
I wonder how much Nefarious is paying these guys.
Not nearly enough.
Whoa! Watch your head!
This is worse than I had imagined.
Look, it's Ratchet and Clank.
Sand sharks from above.
Might as well give up.
Was that a crack? Nefarious' ship! We've got to find a way up there!
The taxis leaving from that stand are driving right by him.
Then we better not miss our ride. Hey,
I have hobbies, and I know that finding the Lombaxes has always been important to you. I thought perhaps we could go together.
wow. That's really thoughtful. But our ride's here.